Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Phantom 5 first real images? I'll have that coming right up. Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Osita Lab last night put out some pictures that are causing quite a stir in the drone community. And without further ado, we're going to get to the first one. I'm going to put that slide up and I'm going to read it. Pardon his language here. Hell yeah, almost complete, Phantom 5 with interchangeable lenses. And you can see there's two pictures there. Let's move on to the next slide. Look familiar? Ring any bells? And what we see here is the rendering that he did of the Phantom 5 lens and lens system. And the last slide I'm going to put up now, I did translate it from Chinese, so you have to bear in mind, that those translations aren't accurate. First thing I want to do is read some of the numbers that are written next to the Chinese language up there. 16, 24, 35, 50. And translated from Chinese by Microsoft. So DJI just claimed that this thing is a custom machine. Then I also custom made a set of 16, 24, 35, 504 focal section for me to match. Money is not a problem, as you big zing-jang dare not to come to, okay? I'm not even going to go there. I have no idea what any of that means. But what I'd like to do is take a closer look at this picture here. And if you look at the bottom of the picture, it looks like it's in the back of a vehicle. You see what looks like the white bumper and then a black section, probably of an SUV. And then if you look a little closer surrounding the lens and the lens system there, you see what look like landing gear or landing legs of something that looks like a DJI Phantom 4 Pro. That looks very familiar. And if you take a real good close look, which I have done before, I had blown this up. And if you look on the lens itself, you see 5.0, which is 50 millimeters. And if that's the case, then DJI is going to have some type of other system to be able to navigate, forward visioning system, because you won't be able to see at 50 millimeters with that. And then you can see DJI listed on the ring of that. This is very interesting. It does look very real. It does look like it's the real deal. And Osita Lab has had a good track record. Has it been perfect? No, it has not been perfect. He did have some misses on the Mavic Air, but he pretty much was spot on. And remember, he was accurate when he predicted the Zen news. He was also accurate regarding the Spark discount as well. So I have every reason to believe that this is the real deal. Does this mean the release is any closer? No. I still think that the release, we're probably looking at a late third quarter, early fourth quarter type of release. Now, there has been some talk, and I did see this from some other, I looked on Twitter today. Some people thought that this may be for this new DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0. I don't think that's the case. I think that this is designed from the ground up for the Phantom 5. And I think what you're looking at are pictures of the Phantom 5. I think they're at the point where they have a prototype and they're getting ready to test it. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about our channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry. And of course, anything that's DJI related gets posted there as well. And also check out my blog, where I do post all our videos. Thanks so much for watching, and happy flying!